I'm meteorologist Ed Curran with a quick look at your weather, and the question is, will it ever stop raining? It's going to be a while. We're going to have rain throughout the day today, and we'll have rain into the day tomorrow, and with us really through much of the day tomorrow. We'll hold on to a chance of showers before we finally pull out of this. To add to that, we've got cold temperatures on top of it. But the rain is with us as we head through the afternoon today, into the evening hours, into the morning hours of Thursday, and into the at least the early afternoon hours on Thursday before it finally pulls out of here. And along with the rain and the cold temperatures, we're going to have some big waves build up on Lake Michigan for tomorrow. We have a lakeshore flood advisory as waves can get up to 12 feet, maybe even 16 feet. Well, look at this temperature, 56 degrees for a high at O'Hare, dropping to the low 50s later today, 56 degrees, 20 degrees colder than yesterday's high temperature. So as we go through the day, we lose ground as far as temperature is concerned. We continue to see the rain around here. It is a cold and wet day in Chicago. Tonight we drop off to 44 degrees with rain. Tomorrow's highs come in about the same as today, which are high temperatures that are running a good 10 degrees below the norm. The chance of rain diminishes as we head into the afternoon hours tomorrow, and then we finally get out of this rain and we finally get our temperatures back to where they ought to be on Friday, and then Saturday about 10 degrees above the norm, with temperatures by Saturday of 75 degrees. Enjoy your day and stay safe.